How to get active developer badge on Discord. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Discord right here. And then once we open our Discord, just go into your server. And then on this part, just click this drop down button and then click server settings. Once you do that, just scroll down until you see enable community, which is right here. So click that and then click get started. Once you click get started, just click this and then click this one also and then click next. And then once you do that, just click next again and then click I agree and understand. Now click finish setup. Now once it is done, the next thing that we need to do is to open our browser right here and then search for Discord developers applications. And then just click the first link that will pop up on your screen. And then you should be redirected into this page. What we need to do right here is to click new application. And then for the name, let's name it developers badge right here. And then click this one and then click create. Now once you click that, let's verify that we are a human. And then once it is done, this is what it should look like. What we need to do is to go here on the left screen and then click bot. And then just scroll down until you see this privilege gateway intense and then turn this 3 on right there and then click save changes. Once you do that, just go here on at the top again and then click reset token, which is right there, and then click yes, do it. Once you do that, just type your password and then copy the token, which is right here. The next that we need to do is to open another tab and then search for bot ghost and then click the first link that will pop up on your screen and then you will be redirected right here. Now what we need to do is to just paste token that we have just copied earlier and then click create bot. And then once you click create bot, you will be redirected into this page. Now the next thing that we need to do is to click active developers badge and then click enable, which is right here, and then click save changes. Now once we do that, the next thing that we need to do is to click invite. And then once you are now here, click continue to Discord. And then for this one, just click the server wherein you want to add the developer badge. So I'm just going to click this one and then click continue. And then click authorize again. And then once you do that, let's verify again that we are a human. And then once it is success, let's go back into our Discord. And then if we look right here, we should now be able to see this one right here. Now, if you type this / active developers badge right here and then click enter, you will now be able to see that we now have added or activated developer badge into our server. So that is basically it. That is how to add active developers badge on PC.